In this video, I'm going to show you how to download add-ons from MCPEDL. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser like you normally would. For this video, I'm using Google Chrome, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up mcpedl.com just like so, then go ahead and press on go. It is now going to take you to the official MCPEDL website. Now from here, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select over here where it says add-ons, because we're going to be downloading add-ons in this video. And now all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll until you find an add-on that you would like to install. For this video, we're going to be installing the Extra Blocks add-on. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on the add-on that you would like to install. And typically it is going to give you a little bit of information about the actual add-on itself. But all you want to do is you want to scroll down over here till you see this section that says downloads. And over here, it is going to show you all of the different downloads for the add-on that you're trying to install. So over here, we have more the recent versions towards the top, and in the bottom, we have like the older versions. So let's go ahead and install the most recent version of the Extra Blocks add-on right over here. So please go ahead and select on it just like so. Then it is going to bring you a pop-up that looks like this. So press I am not a robot. Then all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait a little bit. All right, so once the bar is finished, go ahead and press on get download just like so. And then from here, go ahead and install whatever version you want. Again, for this video, we're just going to be installing the most recent version of Extra Blocks. And then it is now going to download that file. Once you're done with that, the next thing we need to do is we need to go ahead and actually load it into Minecraft. Now, to do that, I recommend using an application called File Manager. So if you're on an Android device, please go ahead and open up the Google Play Store just like so. Now, if you're watching this on an iOS device, then you can actually use the official iOS file management software in order to load it into Minecraft. But if you're on an Android, what I recommend that you guys do is go to the store and look up File Manager just like so. And what you want to do is you want to download this File Manager app right over here. Make sure that it is this one in particular. It is called File Manager Plus. This is incredibly beginner friendly for installing add-ons, which is why I recommend it so much. But once you install it, go ahead and press on open. Alright, so once you went ahead and open it up, you should have something that looks like this. If it's your first time ever using an app like this, then you may need to give this app permission in order to access your files and stuff like that. So please make sure you actually do allow File Manager access to your files. But anyways, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on the folder that says downloads. And over here, it is going to show you all of the downloaded files on your device. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just scroll until you find the add-on that you did install. Now, remember, for this video, we are working with the Extra Blocks add-on for this example, and here it is. You guys could also use the search bar right over here in order to manually look up your add-on. It is completely up to you. But once you locate your add-on, all you want to do is you want to long press on it just like so. Then you want to go ahead and press on rename. Now, from here, I want you to double check that the file name ends in .mc add-on. It is really important that whenever you're downloading mods for Minecraft Bedrock Edition, that the file name ends in .mc add-on, not .mc add-on.zip or 7z or anything like that. So let's say, for example, if it ended in .zip, then you need to remove the .zip and just make sure that the file ends in .mc add-on just like this. Once you're 100% sure, go ahead and press on done. Then long press on the file one more time, and this time go ahead and select on these three dots that says more. Then go ahead and press on open with. Scroll down until you see Minecraft. So Minecraft's right over here, but if it's your first time ever using this app, you may need to scroll down a little bit. But anyways, from there, go ahead and press on just once or always. It doesn't really matter. It will still get the job done regardless. And now it is going to load into Minecraft really quickly, and it is going to say import started. And there you go. If we did everything correctly, it is now going to say successfully imported. Now, let's go ahead and actually apply this add-on to our world, because that's actually a little bit of a different process. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on play. Now you want to go ahead and press on create new world. Press on create new world one more time. Then you can go ahead and set your world to survival or creative. It really is up to you. And now what you want to do is you want to go to the left menu and scroll down until you see experiments. Once you're over here in experiments, please go ahead and turn all of these on over here, because typically add-ons use experimental features. So it's really important that you have those on. Then where it says behavior packs, please go ahead and select on it, and then go ahead and select on available. And over here, it is going to showcase all of the different add-ons that you have installed on your device. So here are some add-ons that I have, and as you're able to tell, over here we have the Extra Blocks add-on. So all you want to do is you want to press on activate, and sometimes you might get a problem that looks like this, but go ahead and just press on continue. And then all you want to do is you want to double check that it is active. Now you want to do the same thing for resource packs. So for resource packs, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on available and make sure that Extra Blocks or whatever add-on you're trying to install is actually activated. Then go ahead and press on active, and you basically want to match them up. So you want to make sure that you have your add-on active in both the behavior pack and the resource pack. Now, one thing to know is that not every single add-on has a resource pack. So some add-ons only have a behavior pack. So if you notice that you only see a behavior pack, that is 100% normal. So just make sure you have your add-on activated. And once you're done with that, go ahead and press on create and press on create anyways. All right, guys, so here we are in the add-on that we did install, and you will notice that we will actually get a bunch of new extra blocks over here, which is definitely pretty cool. So just go ahead and check if your add-on is working. So yeah, for us, it is working pretty well. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe as we are trying to reach 400,000 subscribers. See you later, French fries.